Hi everyone, my name is Hamed Gholam Razai, and today in this lesson I am going to create a stone material for this project, and for creating new material, right click on material button and create a new generic material, for assign new generic material to all surface for project use as replacement, and right click and replacing scene. Waiting for assign material to the all faces for or in project, and now I have changed color, material, and reflection and refraction, and for this material many things happen. Change the color, generic material, and red or any color. For test render or interactive render, this setting should be useful. Resolution and test render, interactive render. Material override is on, and for this situation I'm going to off this option. Waiting for interactive render or test render. For default generic material, only color change to white, and many parameters in generic material should be changed, but a simple way for create this material now turn on denoiser for best result. And in this generic material have not any reflection. Now it's maybe want to reflection for this material. Final result of this project, see a final result, and now I just have some test renders and create some materials for my tutorial. And now turn on reflection, change to the reflection color to white, metalness 0.1, reflection IOR 1.8, and it's in preview. This material, you can show the result, and interactive render start again for new result of this material with reflection color and more realistic rendering for this material. Now time for comparison between no reflection material and reflection on this material, and result. Let's closer view and test again and comparison again between reflection on or off. Some reflection on surfaces are so good, and now it's bug, some bug in situation. Now let's closer view, test and comparison again. There are many parameters in this generic material, and like bump or displacement or opacity, but in this material we some change on only on diffuse color and reflection color. Now a closer view is available, and increase the downlight for better result, and decrease highlight burn for better result. Now reflection on and compression. Reflection IR 1.8, metalness 0.15. Now let's compression again. When reflection on, you have better result, obviously. Compression off, and let's talk about use a texture, replace color, diffuse color. First turn off reflection color, and now before we use the texture, first I have a dark color for this project, without reflection and with reflection, for better compression. Before we have replaced texture for diffuse color, and compression can happen. A and B. Now reflection effects are for replace a texture or bitmap for diffuse color. I have texture downloaded before. Now I use all the video texture, roughness texture for refreshing glossiness, but in this case I'm just use all video texture and in edit tab increase the value for size of this texture. 5 and 3 maybe work. Now we have a texture with some colors and replace a solid color and obviously we have a better result. Maximum size of reflection glossiness are mark 1 and minimum are 0. No need to use a bump mode or bump map or one map or displacement. Now we have a final result in this lesson, and material are more realistic than before. Overwrite material and screenshot from this scene. And good luck.